Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to set up and how to use Nerby Share on your TCL 306. So firstly open control panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Then find Nerby Share, click and hold on it. Then enable Nerby Share, wait a while, click add or verify. Scroll down, click yes I'm in, and cool. Now you can change your device name, for example 306, click rename, change your device visible for others, for contacts only or for everyone. Then change or choose data usage mode. I suggest choose data mode because it includes mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modes. So that's all. Now we can share, now we can receive and send data, we can receive and send images, audio, videos, and now I want to share this image from my device, from my TCL 30 SE to my TCL 306. So just click on the share button, choose Nerby button, wait a while. In this list we will see our 30 and 6 device, click on it. And just click accept on your 306. So that's all. Now open an image using gallery, and as you can see, image was successfully sent. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.